Welcome at the 3 minutes with. It's something where I ask professionals about questions about their tech life and what they do differently. This time we are going to...
Hey, my name is Marijn Somers and I am from... Well, I'm living in Antwerp in Belgium, but you can find me everywhere around Belgium, around the Netherlands, or probably just traveling because I do attend a lot of conferences, so I'm traveling quite a bit. So you'll probably find me at one of the conferences. I mainly focus on two blocks. On the one hand, I focus on teams and collaboration. On the other hand, I focus on building intranets. So that is one of the things that I love to do the most, building beautiful intranets for small companies, big companies, but also help them with their internal collaboration, with their document management, just to help them out to make their processes run easier, smoother, things like that. So my superpower, I like to call myself the Microsoft 365 Spirit Guide, because I like to help people get in the flow of all the applications that we have. The one thing I really love about SharePoint, and I've been doing SharePoint for, I don't know, almost 20 years now. The one thing I really love about SharePoint is the ease of building something. I mean, you can just create a new site, start adding some web parts, adding some features, metadata, columns, things like that. And you can, by way of rapid prototyping, within an hour, create something that people can actually use. If I couldn't use SharePoint anymore, if for some reason Microsoft would just kick SharePoint out, I might either just start building websites from scratch with HTML maybe, because I still think that companies need an intranet. Although with Copilot coming, do we still really need an intranet? I don't know. I think we do. So what would I do? Maybe become an alcoholic or a baker, or well, maybe do something with whiskey or maybe watches. One thing that people don't or may not know about me is that I am also a licensed watchmaker. So what I do in my spare time is I buy like all these watches. I buy these things. I've got like cupboards with hundreds of watches here. I buy these old mechanical watches. I repair them. I just take everything out, clean everything, put everything back together, polish everything, make sure everything runs smoothly, and then I sell them again. So that's my little side hustle that I do. So next time when you see me at one of these conferences, ask me what I'm wearing on my wrist. So the one question I'm missing is, why are document sets so cool? Because document sets are really cool. And it's a way of creating dossiers, like sets of documents that should be together. And the cool thing with that is that you can, when you open such a dossier, then you will get like different files, different views, different metadata, different content types that you can put in there. So it's a really cool feature that I think people are not using enough. So that's definitely something you should check out if you have never worked with that before.
Thanks for your 3 minutes, and I really appreciate it. If you like this video with this person, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.